Hi friends, today we are going to solve one of the most common Leetcode problems, max consecutive ones. The best part, the logic is so simple, you can solve it on a piece of paper. Imagine you are just going to scan this array from left to right. To keep track of things, you only need two simple tools. So here the problem. We are given an array of ones and zeros like this. Our mission is to find the longest stretch of ones. Just by looking at it, we can see the answer is 3 from this group at the end. But how do we teach a computer to find that? First, a current counter. This keeps track of the ones you are in the right now. Second, max. This is where you write down the biggest count you have been so far. Both are starts at 0. Now look at the first number, it's a 1. Now current count equal to 1. So we have to check current count greater than max. If yes, it's greater than 1. So we have to increment max count equal to 1. Next number, it's another 1. We increment our current count equal to 2. Is it greater than our current count? Yes. So now we have to increment max count equal to 2. For the third number, it's a 0. This is the most important rule. A 0 breaks the streak. Whenever we see a 0, we have to reset our count to 0. So we don't touch the max count because our record is still 2. So we have to still make count as 2. Continue, the next number is a 1. We have to increment the current streak to 1. Is 1 greater than our record 2? Nope, we do nothing. Next is another 1. Our current streak becomes 2. No, we do nothing. And the last number, it's a 1. Current count becomes 3. Now we check, is 3 greater than max count? So yes, so we have to update our max count to 3. Here we reached the end of the array. The final number is our max. So our answer is 3. That's the entire logic. Loop through, count the ones and reset on zeros, all while keep on an eye on all the time record. Now let's see how this looks like in C. Now see the code. This is the main function. Here I called a function, find max consecutive ones. In this function call, I have taken current count equal to 0 and one more variable max count equal to 0. After that, I have taken a for loop. In that for loop, I have taken a condition. If num of I equal to 1, we have to increment the count. If it is not equal to 1, we have to reset to 0. So whenever it encounters 1, it increments. After that, we have to check whether current count is greater than max count or 0. First, initially it's 0. First we get 1. So here we got 1, right? So current count is increments to 1. So here we checking 1 greater than 0. It trues, it max count is equal to max count incremented to initialized to 1. So it keep on goes the loop. So when it runs out of the loop, it returns the max count. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.